Is your computer running slow or acting up? Don't let it disrupt your day. Get it fixed today with our expert help. We specialize in fast and affordable computer repair services right here in Marco Island. From virus removal to hardware repairs, we've got you covered. Wondering about the cost of fixing your computer? Our services are budget-friendly and transparent with no hidden fees. Plus, we offer home and office visits for your convenience. Our expert technicians handle everything from slow computers to broken screens and software issues. Let us take the hassle out of your computer problems with our reliable solutions. Don't waste time and money on complicated DIY fixes. Our pricing is straightforward and designed to fit your budget, ensuring you get the best value for your repair needs. Call us today for a free consultation at 239-382-7247. Visit our website at fixmycomputermarcoislandfl.com to learn more about our comprehensive services. Serving all of Marco Island, we guarantee quick and reliable repairs. Don't let computer problems slow you down. Call 239-382-7247 now to book your repair.